Conducting pre- and post-repair road tests is essential to ensuring your customer satisfaction, maintaining your tech safety standards, and minimizing your shop's liability risks. A post-repair road test validates the quality of work and confirms that critical systems such as brakes, tires, and front-end components are functioning properly. Nothing damages a shop's reputation more than releasing an unsafe vehicle that causes an accident. Pre-repair road tests are equally important. These allow your technicians to identify and document issues such as noises or handling concerns, which can help confirm the customer's complaint. If the customer joins the test drive, it provides an opportunity for clarification. Additionally, a thorough exterior inspection before repairs helps prevent disputes over pre-existing damage. Once you've determined who should do the test drive, put clear rules into place for how to conduct this inspection. Establish written criteria for acceptable driving records, train drivers on handling various vehicle types, and conduct annual reviews. Set up parameters for consistency. Use designated routes that avoid congested or hazardous areas, prioritize right-hand turns, and include intersections with traffic lights. Equip drivers with communication tools and instructions for handling emergencies. Protect customer vehicles by using seat and floor covers and avoiding unsafe or unfit vehicles. During the road test, follow these steps and document the results. Establish a baseline. Note the vehicle's condition, including any unusual sounds, vibrations, or warning lights. Select realistic conditions. If possible, test in scenarios similar to the customer's typical driving environment, such as city streets or highways. At the very least, ensure a variety of road conditions are utilized. Leverage diagnostics. Use OBD tools to monitor engine performance and emissions, ensuring optimal functionality. Prioritize safety. Follow traffic laws, maintain safe distances, and approach high-speed tests with caution. Following the repair, a final road test will help verify that all repairs are effective and the vehicle performs as expected. Focus on systems and components that were repaired, checking brakes, steering, suspension, and electrical systems systematically. Address specific customer concerns and document findings for transparency and future reference. By reviewing and refining test drive procedures, shop owners can enhance safety, build customer trust, and protect their business reputation. Keep up the great work.